It ain't easy being cheesy.
Right guys, don't walk to Sainsbury's, run to Sainsbury's. Stop, grab yourself a little trolley. Then you want to grab yourself one of these 89p mac and cheese sauce. Obviously you're going to need some macaroni pasta. Also going to grab yourself some of this bacon, only $1.45. Grab yourself some mild cheddar cheese. And finally, a pint of milk. Right, macaroni cheese with bacon bits in the air fryer. Let's get home and get it cooked. Right, so I'm back home now, guys. There it is, macaroni cheese, all the ingredients, and we're going to cook it in the air fryer.
No, you're not.
What?
You're not. Not cooking it in the air fryer.
Why not?
Because it'll bugger it up.
Oh, cancel that, guys. We're not going to cook in the air fryer. Right, so I'm going to cook it in these two casserole dishes. I probably should have cleaned that one first.
No, you're not. I'll do it.
What do you mean?
So I'll start off by cleaning that off. Right, so I'm going to make this mac and cheese, and it's dead simple. So we're just going to get some cheese now, and we're going to put this in the middle of the dishes. So one's going to go in there, and the other one is going to go there. So you need...
Hang on a minute, I was going to grate it. Are you sure it's going to work?
What's it matter? It's all going to get cooked the same way. So then you get your macaroni, and you just put it round the sides of it. And also with this one, I'm going to make two here. I'm going to add in the milk. And this milk. Mark, are you watching? Because you can do this next time. Yeah?
Right.
Then you get your sauce. I mean, you could have made your own sauce if you wanted to.
Right.
Equally spread this out. Now you need some water as well. So just put some water in the jug, because that means you can get out all your sauce. And then pop that on as well.
Right.
And then all that's left now is to put the tin foil on and get it in the oven. I'm just going to chop my bacon into the air fryer and get it extra crispy. Right, so we've just got it out of the oven, and what you need to do now is make sure all the cheese, look, see, it's dead easy. Don't have to grate it, don't have to bother with it. Just get it all into the middle, and then it all melts. And then to the other one as well. I had a nosy at this one just to see how good it was looking. Amazing. So in this one, I'm going to get some pepper and some salt and leave it out of this one, because obviously some of the kids are eating that one. I'm going to get some butter in it as well and get this mixed up and back in the oven. And that's ready to get out. Wow, it's bubbling hot. And how easy was that? A simple mac and cheese. There you go. Just going to leave that one in there for a minute. Get your bacon. Nice crispy bacon.
Oh, nice.
I'm just going to...
Look at that for a mac and cheese. How easy was that to make? Let's have a look.
Well, it was easy for you.
Any cheese pull? No, there's no cheese pull though, but that is very cheesy. Wow, that looks amazing. Get all that bacon mixed in there. Let's go straight in there for a bite. Sod it.
Woo.
Here we go. Here we go.
It's absolutely delicious.
Oh, that's amazing. That is amazing. Guys, get to Sainsbury's, give it a try, and let me see yours in the comment section.